Raise your hand if this sounds familiar. You sit down at your desk, ready to crush that big project or finally tackle that mountain of emails. But instead, you find yourself scrolling through social media, watching random cat videos, or suddenly deciding it's the perfect time to organize your sock drawer. Yeah, we've all been there. And no, you're not lazy, you're human. Believe it or not, your brain is actually wired to sabotage productivity. It's like having an overprotective mom who insists on keeping you safe from hard work, even when you know deep down that you'll feel better once you get started. But here's the thing, understanding why your brain hates productivity can help you rewire it. Today, I'm going to break down the neuroscience behind procrastination and give you actionable strategies to outsmart your own mind. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to turn your inner couch potato into a productivity powerhouse. So why does our brain resist productivity? Well, let me introduce you to two key players in your mental drama: dopamine and the prefrontal cortex. These guys are responsible for most of what makes us tick, or more often than not, freeze up completely. Dopamine isn't just about pleasure, it's also the chemical that drives motivation. When you anticipate something rewarding, dopamine floods your system, making you feel excited and energized. But here's the catch. Your brain prefers short-term rewards over long-term ones. That's why one of the biggest reasons your brain resists productivity is fear. Specifically, the fear of failure. Your brain is wired to avoid pain, and failure is perceived as painful, not just because of external consequences, but because it challenges your sense of identity and competence. When you procrastinate, you're essentially delaying the moment when you might face failure. It's a way of protecting yourself from discomfort. But here's the kicker. Avoiding failure doesn't make it go away. It just postpones the inevitable. So how do we fix this? The first step is to reframe failure. Instead of seeing it as a threat, view it as an opportunity for growth. Every setback is a chance to learn and improve. Start by breaking your tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This reduces the pressure and makes failure less daunting. For example, if you have a big presentation due next week, don't think about the entire thing at once. Focus on one slide at a time. Celebrate each small win along the way. Over time, these small victories will build momentum and confidence. Remember dopamine? Your brain loves it, but it craves immediate satisfaction. That's why scrolling through social media feels so good. It gives you a quick hit of dopamine. Meanwhile, productive tasks often require delayed gratification, which your brain finds boring. To combat this, you need to hack your dopamine system. Make your tasks more appealing by adding elements of novelty or fun. For instance, listen to upbeat music while working, or use colorful highlighters to mark your progress. Small changes can make a big difference. Gamification works wonders. Set mini goals within your larger tasks and reward yourself for hitting them. Use apps or tools that track your progress and give you visual feedback. The more you see yourself moving forward, the more motivated you'll feel. Consistency is key to overcoming procrastination. Your brain thrives on routine, so create habits that support productivity. Start small. Commit to working on your task for just 5 minutes every day. Over time, those consistency is key to overcoming procrastination. Your brain thrives on routine, so create habits that support productivity. Start small. Commit to actions that take no more than 2 minutes to start. For example, instead of dreading writing an entire report, focus on just opening the document and typing the first sentence. Once you've started, your brain will often kick into gear, and you'll find yourself continuing without much resistance. Here's a counterintuitive truth about productivity. Sometimes, doing nothing is the best thing you can do. Your brain needs downtime to recharge and process information. Without stillness, you risk burnout, which makes procrastination even worse. Studies show that taking breaks, even short ones, can significantly improve focus and creativity. So, don't feel guilty about stepping away from your desk. Go for a walk, practice mindfulness, or simply sit in silence. These moments of stillness allow your brain to reset and refocus. To make the most of your breaks, schedule them strategically. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This rhythm keeps your brain fresh and prevents fatigue. And remember, use your breaks wisely. Instead of scrolling through social media, stretch, breathe deeply, or grab a healthy snack. These activities replenish your energy, better than mindless distractions. So there you have it, the neuroscience-backed reasons why your brain hates productivity and how you can fix it. To recap, reframe failure as a learning opportunity. Hack your dopamine system by making tasks fun and rewarding. Build consistent habits using the 2-minute rule. Embrace stillness and schedule strategic breaks. Remember, productivity isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Start small, stay consistent, and be kind to yourself along the way. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on mastering your mind and unlocking your potential. Until next time, keep pushing forward, one step at a time.